this is the one we've been waiting for, we being Martin Tyler and Alan Smith in the commentary box, and you, of course, ready to watch the game unfold.
Yeah, I can't wait for this one.
The game today, Liverpool, and they play Bayern Munich. These two sides have agreed to play each other in a friendly game and hoping to get some positives out of it.
Yeah, and you look back on the matchups between these two sides, there have been one or two feisty encounters, there's some rivalries out there, and it might be quite tasty.
Aga. Here's Gerrard. That's a great interception. Schweinsteiger. Gomez. Javi Martinez. And here's Schweinsteiger. Good pass. Well, they're in a good position here. Well executed. Well, that got the crowd excited, that attack, but in the end now they're disappointed really, because the opposition are beginning to play out from the back. Downing. Well read by the defender to intercept. In on the slide, Boateng. Arjen Robben. Fabio Borini. Played to Glenn Johnson. Downing. Outside of Anfield. The Bob Paisley gate, and even more famous, the Bill Shankly gate. Gomez. Mario Gomez. Now he's looking for support. Challenge made on the slide. Good ball. Here he is with a chance. Tries his luck. Oh, he's got a block in there. Downing. Quick ball. Oh, in goes the cross. That will only run to the opposition. That wasn't the idea when the cross came in. Challenges for the ball. Flipped it over the opponent there. Clever for Liverpool. A test today. Opposition that really is of their own calibre.
Yeah, I think that would have been the message in the dressing room. We've got to be right at it if we're going to get anything out of this match.
Well, here they are on the attack again. They're passing it well here. Well, the heat. Here's the shot. Shot doesn't get... Oh! And the ball's in. It's a goal. Well, there he is. That fox in that box, he scored again.
He's just got that nose for sniffing out the chance and taking it.
Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. Downing. Well, the team relying on its defenders to keep out this dangerous-looking attack. They've set it up well for the cross. Well, they're widening their play here out to the winger. The cross is blocked there by the defender. And it's Bayern Munich who lead here. Not much longer left in the first half. Could be a strong second half from them. They're good at that. On the other hand, they haven't played well enough to suggest that that's necessarily a formality. Now the defender's been called into question, really, by this attacking build-up. On the cross, blocked well by the defender. Now, what's the reaction here from Christus Sundergaard? Referee giving the free kick taker every chance with getting the ball back the right distance. Brilliant opening. And it's going to be a goal kick. Müller. thrust by the player. Oh! And the offside flag goes up. Mario Gomez is the culprit. Well, that's half-time at 1-0. Well, this is very, very tight, and winning the ball and keeping it is two different things, really. That's why we've got an even share of possession.
Yeah, they have both had plenty of the ball, but you'd like to see a better end product from both sides in many ways.
Allen. Fabio Borini, back to him again. I do think this team are clever when they do attack, just like this. They're playing well. Javi Martinez. To Allen. Schweinsteiger. He wants to be on the ball because of his great passing skills here. In he slides. The attack carrying a bit of weight here. Wonderful effort. And he lets fly here. Fabio Borini. Luis Suarez. Now Bastian Schweinsteiger. Might need more back here to curb this piece of attacking play. Got to get more men behind the ball, I think. Could it be? Excellent block. It goes for goal. There's a bit of a panicky clearance from the defender. Now Ribéry. Good ball. Really good stop at a vital time. Foul against Liverpool. That's good interplay. He's had a crack.
No, he's missed it, hasn't he? What a good chance that was for him.
Well, the manager will be delighted with the way his team have played so far, but he's going to make a substitution here just to hope that he can retain this lead. Allen. Fabio Borini. Boateng. Gomez. That's a good pass. That's good support play from his teammates. No, the opposition have got the ball and stopped that straight away when it was looking dangerous. Is he going to pass the ball now? In a good position, keeps it going well. Penalty! Wonderful goalkeeping.
Oh, so often it is a game of cat and mouse, but he was up to the challenge.
Now Johnson. Gerrard. To Allen. They can bolster their defending here, maybe with an extra player or two back from further up the pitch. And it's rather petered out, this attack. It's a goal kick. There's a balance for possession here, as the figures show. Boateng. Javi Martinez. Ball with Lau. Very good passes. This team are passing the ball beautifully. Gomez. Needs some defensive discipline at the moment. Goal kick to come. It is a substitution now to keep the team on their toes and to keep this lead, they hope. Aga. Jose Enrique. Fabio Borini. Famous football club with some famous players of the current generation, Bayern Munich. They have performed extremely well today. Not really let the opposition get within reach. They've kept them at arm's length. They're going to get a victory as a reward for that. Well, he might have... Here's a shot. The service was superb. The shot wasn't.
Yeah, there you go. On a plate, but just couldn't take advantage.
To Johnson. Downing. Luis Suarez. Passing the ball nicely to get onto the attack here. They've linked up well. Well, they'll ask that player to get crosses in, but he's got to do better than this. Daniel Agger. Allen. Excellent passing here. And that's the end of the match at 1-0. Well, this is what happens in friendly games, of course. There are advantages other than the result, and the players have got some action which they needed badly.